So there she is behind me, the Dog Rock. Dog Rock, yeah. So, yeah, last time I seen Dog Rock was some time ago now. A lot of people who live here probably see Dog Rock and take it for granted, but it's been around. That Dog Rock's been around for some time, you know. If you look at the photos, it goes back hundreds of years. Last time I stayed here was at the Dog Rock, across the road here, Dog Rock Motel, in that room up there. Okay, so there's Dog Rock. I think I was standing here 2017 just there with a picture, and then down there. I suppose people who come and see Dog Rock, people who live in Albany, you take it for granted. It's like anything, I guess. If you live in Fremantle or Perth, any of those places, you guess you don't really, you just take it for granted, I guess. But if you live here, you probably say, oh yeah, it's just Dog Rock. But when you don't live here, people want to come and check it out.